On a premium bag, hardware is a part of the quality statement, but hardware corrosion is invisible at shipment. It only shows up months later. Hardware corrosion usually has two causes: the planting that too thin or substandard base metal. Iron is easy to rusting, whereas zinc colors and copper are relatively stable. This is not a matter of probability. It's about whether or not they pass the required testing.
These two hardware are both zinc alloy but from different supplier. Now we use salt water to simulate humid and salt spray conditions, sealed in the chamber for 36 hours. After 36 hours, wash and dry it, then look at what's happened to the surface. Same test, same duration, same zinc alloy, completely different results. It's not obvious when the bag ship out, but your customer will see this difference in 3 months maybe.
For the hardware field test, we will contact the supplier to replace or return the whole batch. Find the problem and fix it. Not every factory has the capability to run this test. We do, which means this problem gets caught here, not by your customers. If you are looking for a supply chain partner who treats your quality standard as their own, we would like to talk.